cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, hue. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, hue. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, hue. Abia kwenu, hue. Anambra kwenu, hue. Ebonyi kwenu, hue. Enugu kwenu, hue. Imo kwenu, hue. Nigeria kwezuono. Hello, my beautiful friends, families, and loved ones. I welcome you all once again to my Igbo segment. Let's learn everything about the Igbo. I am your regular host, Mas B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and traditions, including general issues that affect our lives in society, the lives of the Igbo, the lives of the non-Igbo. Today we're going to talk about certain names or names of animals, the ones that crawl on the ground, the animals, the ones that are in the bush, the birds that fly, and the ones that walk on the ground, fish, and all sorts of insects. So we are going to mention their Igbo names. Once I call the English name, any animal I mention its English name, I will also mention what it's called in Igbo. This is the benefit. It's for the benefit of those who are not Igbo. And some Igbo natives who do not know what certain animal names, insects, birds, fish, and what have you are called in Igbo. Sit back and enjoy as we take on a ride now. All right. The first one is horse. We all know what horse is. So horse, what the Igbo call horse is enyinya. 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 The second one is dog. What the Igbo call dog is nkita. Nkita. Nenke a with a dot at the top and a dot at the bottom. Okay. So the other one is called leopard. What do Igbo people call leopard? Igbo people call leopard agu. Agu. So the fourth one is lion. What do Igbo people call lion? Odum. Or de ome. Odum. Then the other one is elephant. What do the Igbo call elephant? The Igbo call elephant enyi. Okay. Then what do the Igbo call goat? The Igbo call goat ewu. Ewu. What do the Igbo call sheep? Yeah. The Igbo call sheep atoro. Atoro. What do the Igbo call cow? The Igbo call cow ehi. Though there are some parts of Igbo land that call cow efi. Mainly people from Anambra State. Many parts of Anambra State call cow efi, but the Igbo Izugbe, that's the generally accepted Igbo word for cow, is ehi, not efi, as many Anambra indigenes or Anambra natives call it. All right, the other one is we're going to call the other one is monkey. What do the Igbo call monkey? The Igbo call monkey enwe. Okay, the other one is cat. C-A-T, cat. What do the Igbo call cat? Nwamba. Nwe amembe. Nwamba. Or nwolobo. Nwe o le o gbe o. Nwe o, le o, gbe o, nwolobo. Okay. Then the other one is called chimpanzee. What do the Igbo call chimpanzee? Adaka. A-D-A-K-A. Adaka. What do the Igbo call chameleon? The Igbo call chameleon Ugumagala. Though some number of people call it Ogumagana. Ugumagala is spelled as O-G-O Me-A-G-A-Le-A Ugumagana. While the other one, Ogumagana. O-G-U Me-Ge-A-Ne-A. Okay, so take note of all that. Then the other one is deer. D-E-E-R. What do the Igbo call deer? The Igbo call deer Mwada. Me mgbe adea. Me mgbe adea. Okay. All right. So the other one is antelope. What do the Igbo call antelope? The Igbo call antelope ele. Ele. Why some parts of Anambra people call it ene. Ene. Okay. The other one is the one that steals chickens at night. You know, that one Igbo people call it. It's called civet. Okay, while Igbo people call it Edi Abali or Edi or Edu Abali. Edi is spelled as A-D-E. Edi. Then Edi Abali. A-D-E. A-B-A-L-E-A. Abali. Abali means night. So that particular animal is an animal that walks or moves around at night. So that is why the word night is attached to its name. Edu Abali. Edi Abali. Edi. All right. Then the other one is called chicken. Chicken, what the Igbo call chicken is okuko. O-K-O-K-O. Okuko. So what do the Igbo call cock? That is the male chicken, full-grown male chicken. It's called Okeoba. Okeoba. Okeoba or Okeoba. Or Otiegbene or Okeokoko. Okeoba. O-K-A-R-A-A. O-K-O. 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 Or-Bea. Okeoba. But mainly it's called Okeoba. O-K-A-R-Bea. Then you can call it, some parts of Igbo land call it Otiegbene. Otiegbene. O-T-E-E-B-E-N-E. Otiegbene. Okay. Or Okeokoko. O-K-A-R-K-O-K-O. Then the other one is called then you have what is called crocodile. Crocodile is called Agui in Igbo language. Agui. Then there's one called alligator that looks like a crocodile as well. That one is called Oba. Oba. While crocodile that is Agui is spelled as A-G-O-E-E. Agui. E means river or stream. So that one lives in the stream. That's where crocodiles live. Okay. Then we have fox. Then that fox is called in Igbo Nnamurede. Nnamurede is spelled as N-N-A-Nwe-O-Re-O A-D-A. Nnamurede. N-N-A-Nwe-O-Re-O-A-D-A. Nnamurede. Okay. Then we have what is called frog. Some Igbo do not even understand the difference between a frog and a toad. Frog is known as akere or what they call Akere or Mbala. Akere or Mbala. That's what some Igbo. But the major language, the generally accepted word for it, or the Igbo is Akere. Akere. And Mbala. Membe a lea. Mbala. Okay. Then, I think that's all for today. So when next we meet, we'll continue from where we stopped today. It's very interesting. So you get to know the names of so many animals that you hear, but you don't know what they are called in Igbo language. As I said earlier, there are many Igbo people who do not know what a particular animal is called in Igbo. So they wouldn't know. Sometimes they just suppose there's a kind of mix-up when they want to tell you maybe between, for instance, Odum and the Agu. Odum and the Agu. Some people call Odum Agu. Odum is lion, or lion is Odum, or the Ome, Odum. Then Agu is leopard. So sometimes you hear people calling lion the Igbo name, Odum. Sometimes you hear people calling Agu, calling leopard the name for Odum. So I just have to kind of break the ice so that people understand the difference between this and that. Okay, and sometimes people do not actually know the difference between a tiger and a leopard. All right, guys, that's all for today. Right? I bid you all good night. Please don't forget to subscribe, watch, and subscribe to my channel. It will encourage me to keep churning out more and more interesting posts. God bless you all. Bye. Good night, rest. Bye-bye.